Hello guys, this is my Alexandrine parakeet chulai. Angry Alexandrine parakeet chulai. A little bit angry he is.
Because your baby has been hit by my daughter.
You can hear what she said. No, not that kind of thing happened.
Don't do this. Don't do this.
Not that happened.
Remove this flashlight from her. Remove the flashlight from her. She's not to be disturbed.
Okay, flash off. Move your hands. Move your hands.
No, leave it, leave it. She's going to get very angry. Leave. That's why, Gaji. Okay.
My mom is acting a little so that he gets free. So bye. If you like my channel, then subscribe to my channel, Indrakshi Dasgupta.